Let's start. So integration is the inverse of differentiation, correct? So first rule, if I ask you to integrate a sin bx plus k, inside is linear dx, what is the answer? Who want to try? Who want to try? Ishan.
Cos bx plus k.
Will it be cos or negative cos?
Negative cos.
Yeah. So that's why I have to be quite careful. Okay, can I just put negative? That's why I say for trigo now you should be able to create your own formula. So it will be negative. What happened to mine? Is that all, Asian? Should I divide by something?
IB. I don't know.
Yeah, you're right. So this is the first formula. Clear? Okay, second formula. Okay, what will I get? Thaddeus.
A sin bx plus k divided by b plus c.
Yes. Inside must be linear. So what is the third one that you will know the answer straight away? Nick? Nick, are you here?
Yes.
What is the third one that you definitely know the answer? Integrate what? Cannot be tangent yet. You have to think integration as the inverse of differentiation. Then you will be able to do. For example, if I give you like that. Do you think you know how to integrate this? Or I can write it this way. Am I right? Because divide by cos is sec. So what is the answer? Next. Both have the same answer. Hello?
Not sure.
Hey, cannot say not sure. You go and look at, you differentiate tangent, what do you get? Hello?
Yeah, E.
A what?
Tangent.
Yeah, you are right. Some more?
Bx plus k over bx.
So this is also the same. Am I right? So you see, when we talk about integration, correct, you have to think it's the inverse of differentiation, then you will be able to get the answer easily. For the few basic. Okay, just go to another one, number 4. Everyone? So actually, I don't have to purposely go and memorize it. Xinyi, why were you late? Hmm? You cannot mark the attendance already. 10 minutes gone already. Xinyi, Miss Do is asking you, why no response?
Just now, my connection got problem.
Okay. Just let me know, okay? Okay, then the fourth one. We know that if I integrate what will I get? This is the same as writing cosec, am I right? Xingren. Xingren, can you talk? Okay. It will be A. Is it negative or positive? Have anyone tried to differentiate cotangent? Did you record this one down in your notes? Cotangent is cos over sin, correct? I think this is negative cosec. Am I right, Azif? Am I doing the correct things? Azif?
Yes.
Yes. So when you integrate sin 1 over sin square, then you should get negative. A cot bx plus k divided by b. Same go with here. Are you clear? So these 4 things, you better write it down in your notes. Okay. Got it? So this is the rule for integration. So please, very simple rule. Okay, 3 rules. Okay, so now we are going to integrate. Nicholas, Nicholas Wee,
Yes, miss.
do you think it's fair for you to be so late?
My PC got problem, miss.
Huh?
My computer got problem.
Your computer got problem?
Yes.
What time you start to on your computer?
8:45.
What happened to your computer? May I know?
The whole system just crashed.
Ayo.
So it took a while to reboot.
Okay, you have to reboot. Okay.
Sorry.
You text me or not? You got
Uh,
text me?
No.
You can log in using your handphone.
I don't use Zoom on my handphone because it uses a lot of battery. I try to refrain from it. So
Okay,
I
you
join
can.
as fast as I can.
Yeah lah, you can bring a power bank.
Yeah, yes, miss.
Okay. So all the integration rules this one and this one. Okay, so now every time when you do any integration, I tell you double angle formula is extremely important. What is the double angle formula? Okay, let me tell you the things first before I trick you. Okay, now if I see sin x times cos x, I will straight away write down half sin 2x. You have to know how to simplify. If not, a lot of integration, you will definitely be. This is called double angle formula. The difference is just I can change the size of the angle. Double. The rest remain the same. What I mean by that, it means that if I have written down sin, if I ask you to integrate sin 3x cos 3x dx, you have to write this as half sin. Okay, Avika, what should I write down the size of the angle here?
2.
Here,
2x.
is it 2?
Oh, sorry, 3x.
Is it 3x?
Yeah.
Double. Avika,
6x.
thank
Nice.
you. You see or not? That is how you use formula. That is called double angle formula. The right hand side, the angle is double the left hand side. The rest remain the same. So when you apply the formula, you should know how the formula go. Okay, now get the integration of it. Okay, Bram, can I have the answer? Follow just now the first, the second formula, first formula.
-1/2
Continue.
cos 6x plus k.
Plus
Oh.
C.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
No K, no K here.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay. Divided by
Divided by 6.
Plus C. So this will be negative cos 6x over 12 plus C. So that is how you use your double angle formula, the first double angle formula. Are you okay? Okay, now the second double angle formula. I think I don't want to draw this one. Okay, second double angle formula is involved. Okay, it comes from here. Cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, I do this first. Then I give you a question. Okay, hold on. Okay, cos square x minus sin square x. So that means if next time I see cos square x minus sin square x, I will write as. So if now I ask you to integrate cos square 2x minus sin square 2x dx. Can I ask you like that? The answer is a yes. So you have to change. Okay, I have to change it to integrate. Okay, Siti.
Cos 2x.
Siti, double.
Cos 4x.
Yes, so that is what you mean by double angle formula. So this is cos 4x. dx. Everything remain the same. It's just the size of the angle that change. Are you clear? Okay, now. Chunyi, what is the integral of this one?
Sin 4x.
Sin 4x. Some more?
dy4
Divide by 4.
plus c.
Dx. What plus? Dx plus c, you are right. Thank you. All right. Okay, so all this double angle formula, you better remember it. You better write down in your notes. Yeah. Okay, shall we move on? This is also involve cos. So we also know that for cos, correct? 2 cos square x minus 1 can be written as cos 2x. So, which means that my cos square x can be written as cos 2x half cos 2x minus half. Can I write like that? So you write this one down in your notes. Are you okay? Student? Okay, so now if I ask you to integrate cos pi by 4 times cos square 3x dx. Okay. Now, how do you look at cos pi by 4? Cos pi by 4 is a number. So if you want to change it to a number, go ahead. This will be root 2 over 2. All right? So now, how can I change cos square 3x into something else? Because I don't know how to integrate cos square, all right? So how can I change it? Christopher. One, two, three. Christopher, you forgot our rule. Christopher, can you talk? Christopher, are you in my class?
Yes, miss.
I call 1, 2, 3 already. Next time 1, 2, 3 over means your 1 mark in your SAT fall down, okay?
No, I was speaking just now, but then I was like muted.
Okay. Faster?
Half cos 6x minus half.
Thank you. So I will write as half cos 6x minus half.
Miss, I have a question. Isn't it supposed to be cos square x equal to 1 over 2 cos 2x plus 1 over 2?
Sure, ma'am? Okay, I check it out. Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x, correct? So see who is right, huh? So it's cos square x. Hey, this is plus, oh, here is correct. Plus, should be plus. Okay, you are right. but my original formula is correct, right?
Yes,
Hello?
miss. Yes.
Okay. So I don't have to change my original, so don't have to prove this. I shift it, okay, it's a plus, huh? It's a plus. So you please write that one down. Change, plus. Okay, so now what I can do is I can expand if I want to. Okay, so now I differentiate. I integrate. Okay, root 2 over 4. Okay. Cindy, when I integrate cos, what do I get? Cindy, look at number 2. Okay, Cindy, tell me when I integrate cos, what do I get?
Sin
Okay, I got sin 6x over
6.
over 6. Okay, continue, Cindy. If I integrate root 2 over 4, what do I get? I integrate a constant dx. So this one you have to remember, please. If I integrate a constant dx, I get k times x plus c. Am I right? So this one I get root 2 over 4x plus c. Done. So please write this one down. So double angle, there are a few formula that you must write down in order for you to be able to integrate fast. Do you get me? Hello? One more. Okay.
Miss,
Cos.
can you go back for a while? Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Cos 2x can also be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x, which means that my 2 sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x. So my sin square x will be equal to half minus half cos 2x. Are you clear? Okay. Now, can I? If I have an integration, I ask you to integrate this. Okay. So you tell me what is the first step that I must do, Gladys?
Do expansion.
Yes, do expansion, please. Please, everyone expand this. Everyone expand this. Are you done? Check your answer. Shinyi, is there anything wrong with Miss Do expansion?
Wait. No, nothing wrong.
Okay, thank you. So now, which one I must change? Sin square, correct? So I'm going to replace my sin square with cos 2x. So can someone tell me how to replace? Amanda? Amanda E?
Half minus half cos 2x.
Half minus half cos 2x. So you see? So now you can simplify the whole thing by using your graph, your scientific calculator, whatever you can simplify. You expand and you simplify. So 4 times half is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. So when you talk about trigo, if you don't have all this formula in hand, you and me will die flat. So 11x minus, you integrate cos, you get sin. You integrate sin, you get negative cos. So we are done. Okay. Can I move? Okay. So all this integration, please write down. This one also. And the double angle formula. This one. This one. And this one. Right? Okay. Usually we hardly play around with tangent. We hardly play around with tangent. If we play around with tangent, we will give you some formula. We'll give you some formula to do. Okay, now, if I ask you now to integrate, do you think you can do this? Do you think you can do this? Can anyone tell me, can you simplify this?
can change the tangent to sin over.
Yeah, I change the tangent to sin over cos. I write like that so that you can see clearer. Correct? So actually this is cos x. Right? So integrate cos, what do you get? Hafiz?
Sin x.
Sin x, actually it's sin x over 1, okay, plus c. Okay, if I ask you to integrate tangent x, okay, I give you some clue that we have to use this. If I have this, what is the answer? What is the answer? Outer? The one in red. Yeah?
Lorna.
Yeah, ln. Good. So you try to use this and integrate tangent x. Okay, done. Chokan, what is your answer? Integrate tangent x. Chokan.
I'm not sure, miss.
Are you, how, I tell you. Okay, tangent x is cos, up here is sin. Okay, now we think, what is the derivative of cos x? Chokan, can you answer me?
Sin x.
Are you sure?
Negative sin x.
Yeah, negative sin x. So is there a negative there?
No.
No, so we add on like that. See or not? So it should be negative ln cos x plus c. So you see, that is how we think. Everyone, are you okay? All the trick of integration of trigo I taught you. Okay, one more trick. Shall we? If we are given like that. Integrate what are you going to do? There are two ways of doing it, depend on how you look at the thing. Okay, I give you 5 minutes to try. Okay. For this question, correct, the best way to do is the one I give a double tick. This is not, don't think about this. Okay, so this is how you view your 2 cos square x. Okay. So I view my 2 cos square x as cos square x plus cos square x. So I have cos square x plus 1. I can write like that straight away. I don't have to write down this working if I don't want to. Yeah. Then my cos square x, correct? According to this one, then only I do this. So it will be half cos 2x plus 3/2 dx. So now I integrate half, integrate cos, you get sin 2x divided by 2, close. Integrate 3/2, you get 3/2x plus c. Are you clear? So when you talk about integration of trigo, correct? The most important thing is, do you know the formula and do you know how to simplify it? If the question come out to be integration. But most of the integration question, especially in application, correct? They will ask you to, they won't ask for exact value. They won't ask for that one. So usually you can use your graphic calculator to get the answer. Do you know how to use your graphic calculator to get the answer? If I ask you to evaluate, do you know how to do this with your GC? Zafan? Zafan, can you answer me?
Miss, at the moment, I didn't bring my GC.
You don't have your GC, yeah? How come?
I'm not at home, Miss.
Where are you?
I'm at my relatives.
You are at your... So when we say evaluate, you go to your GC, you use your FNINT, please. That is go to the math button. Correct? Then you straight away key in, then you get the answer. Yeah. Is the answer positive or negative? Can someone tell me the answer is positive or negative? Oh, you got 0. Okay, you get 0. So I'm going to show you why you get 0. The graph go like that. Here is your pi by 2. It go down. Here is your pi. Here is your 3 pi by 2. Then it go up. Then here is your 2 pi. Then it come down. 5 pi by 2. Then it go down here. There is your 3 pi. Okay, now, if you get 0, I have area A, B, C, D. What can you say about area A plus area C? Area A plus area C in relation to area B plus area D. If you get 0 here, I can say that area A plus area C is equal to area B plus area D. Are you clear? So this is something about area that you have to bring into your thought. Actually, area A equal to area D, area B equal to area C. If you don't believe me, you go and do the integration. You integrate pi by 2 to 5 pi by 2, you will get 0 also. If you integrate from 0 to pi by 2, you plus integrate 5 pi by 2 to 3 pi, you will get 0 also. Hello? So all these are the things that we have learned for other functions. So trigo function also go the same. And trigo function, you have to remember, is sinusoidal. Yeah, sinusoidal means it keep repeating itself. Hello? Can or not? So on that note, I have done with my chapter 4 and chapter 5. So from tomorrow onward, I will go through all the exercise one by one. Yep. Hello, student? Thank you, class.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you,
You
Miss.
miss.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.